Alright, section 5.1 deals with simplifying equations with exponents. For those of you that this is a little foreign and unfamiliar to, these are the steps that I recommend that you tackle these problems. So first we're going to deal with our negative exponents. Again, there's a rule table on the bottom of page 269, which can be incredibly handy, and I would say that you keep that nearby while you're working these problems. Alright, so from that rule table we know that when we have a negative exponent, it flips the position. So this m to the negative 3 now comes up on top, and it now becomes positive. And this m to the negative 5 on top is now going to move to the bottom, and again it becomes positive. Okay. Now I'm going to deal with my term that's in the parentheses here. Now when I have an exponent on the outside of the parentheses and there's multiple terms on the inside, this exponent will get applied to each term within the parentheses. Okay, so this is now, instead of 2k squared, it is 2 squared k squared. Okay, and the m over to the third and m to the fifth, oh, sorry, there's a k there, do not change. Okay, and now the next step that I advise is to group together your like terms. Now, 2 squared is the only constant we have, so we can go ahead and solve that. 2 squared is 4. Okay, now we have 2 sets of k's here, so I'm going to put those over each other. And then on top I have an m to the third and an m to the fifth. Okay. Now I'm going to also again use that rule table on the bottom of page 269. I know that when I have terms with the same base with exponents, that will simply become 4 times k. That's the exponent on top minus the exponent on bottom. Again, if there is no exponent, you're assuming that there's a 1. There's this phantom 1 there. Okay. And then m to the third divided by m to the fifth is going to be m to the 3 minus 5. Okay, so if I work all this out, I now have 4 times k to the first times m to the negative 2. And again, I'm going to apply my negative exponent rule. You should never have a negative exponent in your answer. We'll have 4k. I'm going to leave the 1 off because it's unnecessary, because k to the 1 is just k. So, and then this m squared, again, will move to the bottom, and the exponent will become positive. So that is the answer. That is the simplified form of our original starting equation here. Please let me know if you have any questions.